What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. Now, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So let's go ahead and open up this first one, and we'll see what we got. Yeah, there we go. All right, so first box we got is a video doorbell. This is a ZUMIMALL smart video doorbell. Wireless Wi-Fi outdoor security, and if we look at the side here, we can see that it is full HD Wi-Fi, motion sensing, has a mobile app, IP66 weatherproof, battery powered, two-way talk, and day and night recording as well. So it does have night vision available. If we look at the other side, we have some of the actual specs. We see that it's wire-free, a wide-angle lens, weatherproof. The format of the recording is H.265, which is pretty nice. And important to note that it does support 2.4 gigahertz, but not 5 gigahertz. You can also store on an SD card or record directly to the cloud, which is always a very, very useful feature. The problem with using an SD card, of course, is someone can always steal the device along with the SD card, and you have no proof of what happened. If you upload it to the cloud, then essentially that extra like $2-3 or whatever it happens to be per month, if someone goes onto your door and just rips this off and takes the SD card along with it, you still have that video. Not only that, but since this is battery, you have the video of them running away with it until they turn it off. You have that all stored in the cloud. So it is a very, very secure way of keeping video, is storing the data in the cloud. But you also get the local storage as well in case you want to access and use that instead. Now let's go ahead and pull this out and see what's inside. Alright, so we have the ZUMIMALL instruction manual here, the quick start guide on how to get started. We have the mounting sticker, which is super useful. You can basically pre-screw the holes for the wall so you know where everything is going to go, and it'll be very, very easy to mount. We've mounted one of these on the channel before. If we look at the device, this is what goes inside of your house and makes the chime noise. So it has a speaker in there, it has a USB port right there, and it also has for battery power on the bottom. We have a few buttons to change the volume here, as well as to make it chime, and it has a nice little texture on this. This isn't actually a sticker or anything. This is a texture on the device itself. So it's kind of cool to put this inside. It's kind of aesthetic just to, you know, sit right there. And then the camera itself, let's go ahead and take a look at this. So we've seen this form factor before in cameras, but we do have the, let's go ahead and peel this off here, and we have a second peel where we can, right there, and here's the device itself. Now on the side of the device right here, we have our SD card slot, so you can put your SD card there, and we also have a power slot and a reset button that you can use to charge the device. And then if you notice in the back, this is an actual screw here that if I use this tool that it came with, we can actually slide this off. So what you're going to want to do is install this on the wall first with this sticker. So you're basically going to put this on the wall first and then screw it in here. And then once you have that in the wall, you're just going to snap this in and drop it in. Once it's in there, you can use this screwdriver, which is a security Torx screwdriver. You can't really see it. A security Torx screwdriver, and that will lock this back into the wall, and it'll be very, very difficult to take that off without actually removing it completely. You'll also notice that when it is removed, there's a button here that becomes decompressed, and that is the tamper button. So it'll start making an alarm and send a notification to your phone if somebody actually detaches it from the wall, which is a super, super useful feature. Let me go ahead and screw this back in. And again, I did see that it has two tools, so they give you a full-size Torx and a Phillips head screwdriver here. That's very nice. We have a charging cable. We have some AAA batteries for the chime. We have some sticky pads to keep it in place when you mount it on the wall. And we have some mounting hardware. Nothing else in the box, and yeah, pretty cool device. Thank you so much for ZUMIMALL for sending this over. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much to all the sponsors, and thank you so much for watching. We'll have some more in-depth videos, unboxings on this channel, and reviews on the new Tech Savvy Reviews channel. So I'll see you there. Have a good one. Peace.